How to create a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can create a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Creating a playlist on Spotify is very simple. Open up the Spotify application and just make sure that you're signed into your account. After you're signed in, tap on the Your Library option from the bottom right of the screen to come to the Your Library page here. Once you come to the Your Library page, all you have to do is tap the plus button over here, then tap on Playlist to create a new playlist. Just give your playlist a name, then tap on the Create option. Then after that, your playlist will get successfully created. You can simply add songs to this playlist by tapping on Add to this playlist and selecting the songs that you would like to add in this case, as you would be able to find here. This way you can go ahead and then create a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.